Cypress Mountain Ski Resort is just 45 minutes away from Vancouver, BC. We just had some snow right before Christmas this year, so we decided to start our skiing seasons with the kids right away. My daughter was meeting one of her best friends here in Vancouver, and they were taking snowboarding lessons together. They were both beginners, and the lesson was taking place at either the Easy Rider or the instructor sometimes may take them up to the Lion Express ski lift. The Easy Rider ski lift is very close to the base. There is also a specific area at the bottom of Easy Rider for parents to watch and to take pictures for their kids. My wife doesn't ski. There's a huge cafeteria at the base with Wi-Fi, so after dropping off the kids to their lessons, she had some me time while I was skiing with my buddies. I was having a little bit of trouble scanning my lift ticket at the gate, but it was just a small issue.
But I should leave it somewhere outside, right? Or
Put it separately from other devices, electronic devices.
oh, maybe.
It was extremely foggy that morning, but skiing was okay. The sky eventually cleared it up around 1 p.m., so I will still be able to capture some better videos on Lion Express in just a little bit for you. For now, I'm going to just share some highlights of the ski runs we have tried. If you like full videos on each run, you can either find those videos on the channel page, and I'll also put some links on the description section. We arrived at about 8:30 in the morning on a Saturday. It was not too crowded. There's limited paid parking that lets you stay much closer to the base for $12, and there are free parkings within 5 to 10 minutes walk. You can reserve both your ticket and equipment online. If you're doing it at the counter, they won't let you pick up equipment before you have the lift ticket. And the line for picking up ski equipment is much longer than the one for snowboarding, just to keep that in mind. If you found my video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you next time.